Well, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the free version, sort of. It's not made by the same person, but the free version of a wallpaper engine. Now this software is safe to use. It is open source, so you guys can look up the source code if you guys want. But there's going to be a link in the description. I want you to press on rockstanister.github.io/lively. You're going to press download. You're going to press the installer. And then you're going to save it on in your downloads folder. You're going to press save. It might take a little bit to download, even if you do have a fast internet or fast computer. This is the server that's not working. It's going to open up an installer. You're going to press install only for me, unless you want to install for all users. In my opinion, I would only do it on your account. There's 4 different languages: English, Spanish, Russian, and Chinese, or Japanese. I'm not sure, but whatever one you want to use. Press OK. You're going to press next. You're going to press I accept the agreement, or if you don't want this, then just press I do not accept the agreement. Close the application and close off this video. But press the I accept the agreement, press next. Press next again. Create a desktop shortcut, and you want to make sure it does start with Windows. You're going to press next. Install. It's going to take a little bit to install. Now, if you do have a semi-bad computer, I would not recommend running this software. If your PC is mid-tier, it definitely will handle it. In my opinion, it's not as optimized as Wallpaper Engine is, but like I said, it is free. So it's going to ask you to install some dependencies. It's going to bring up alert. You want to make sure that you say yes to all these alerts. It's going to install Netcore and also I think Microsoft something. I'm not really sure. It might take a little bit. So you do not want to restart your computer right now. Just press finish. You want to go down to here. You want to type in lively wallpaper. It's going to open up. In my opinion, I would restart the computer, but if I'm making the video, so I can't do that. So you just want to press next again. You want to make sure it starts with Windows. Next, normal interface. If you're on a low-end system, select the second option. Press next. And for me, I have Taskbar X on this system. So I would not recommend turning on Taskbar theme if you do have Taskbar X, but if you do not, there's tons of different options you can use. I'm going to leave that off for now because I have Taskbar X running. You're going to press next, and it's going to be complete. You're going to press the X button, and you're going to see that it's in the little tray. You're going to want to right click on it, press open lively. There's going to be a tons of different default. Now, in my opinion, the default are kind of shit. But there's you can add your own. In my opinion, I feel like the ripples is the best one. There's a little bit of stuff you have to do to use this one, so I just recommend either the external light or rain version 2. But like I said, I'm going to show you how to. Yeah, this one is sexy. This one's sexy. So you're going to press the plus button to add a wallpaper. You can either drag a file or you can do a URL. So for this video, we're going to use a URL. So there's going to be a second link in the description. It's going to be a Reddit page to this Reddit, and there's tons of different ones you can choose from. For just the example of this video, I'm going to use the Nebula Starfield. You're going to press on it, and then you're going to pause the video because it's going to iterate me. You're going to press the share, and you're going to press copy link. You're going to go back, and you're going to press the URL into this. It's going to process it. It might take a little bit depending on the quality of the video, and it automatically does that. Leave all this as default. Press OK. If you have a fast computer, it will take maybe a second to do. And then as soon as it's done, you're going to have this cool wallpaper. I like this one as well. Oh, there's a motorcycle in the background. Great. Love it. But you can just add multiple different sort of ones if you want to. It's really up to you. It's not as good as Wallpaper Engine. But like I said, this is the free version of sort of Wallpaper Engine. You know, it's not as good. It's not as optimized, but it is open source. So that's good. And the second thing I guys want you to do is press on the settings icon and go to performance, and make sure when it says applications full screen, you want to pause it. So basically, this is what it's going to do. When there's like, say you have like a game open like Roblox or Fortnite or any other stupid game, when it's full screen, it's going to pause it so it's not taking system resources. Because I'm telling you this now, this is going to take a little bit. It's not going to take as much as you think it would take. So for right now, for example, it's taking 4% of my CPU. I don't know about the background process. I can't really find it. If I can, I will let you guys know. Yeah, I can't find the background process, but It's definitely going to take a little bit, so I would recommend having this as paused, so it will pause it when you're on full screen. Make sure you go to wallpaper and make sure you choose the stream quality to be either 1080p or 1080p plus. If you are on a slow computer, I would recommend 720p. It will really help the system out in a good way. And if you also want to set this as your lock screen wallpaper, you can turn this on, so it's automatically on when you log into your computer. It's basically your lock screen. And make sure that we were setting that up. Make sure to choose Start Windows. If you didn't do that and you forgot to, there's going to be a little setting in the general section, and you want to make sure you Start Windows is on. But that's basically it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will link some custom great wallpapers for this in the description below. Just follow the same exact steps that we took here. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and have a good day.